I don't want to be Captain Complaints. No way. I didn't even have time to that's how good the fishing's been. Hey guys, what's going on today? Today's already starting out on a good note. Haven't caught any fish yet, but made it here okay, because you can see the fog is really dense. So hopefully we can get on some fish. Okay guys, first fish of 2024 for me. Check out that fella. Nope, come on. Come on. Let me grab you. I'm gonna get you back in the water soon, buddy. Don't worry. Getting all dirty. Yeah. I knew that it was somebody biting me. There you guys go. Knew it was gonna be worth it to come here. All right, I'm gonna still have my worm. So, okay guys, second fish of the day. Little rainbow. Yeah, he wanted that thing. He's got a weird jaw a little bit, but he'll feed. See if we can't get whatever's been biting on the jaw jacker to commit. I can see him down there. Got him. Little guy. Another little trout. Fishing's heating up. There you guys go. He's a weird looking one too. He's got one of those deformed backs. Okay. Stop it. Cut that out. Now I want a warm water fish. Hey, give me my hook back. There we go. Alright, he's off. Here we go. Feels better. Oh yeah, definitely a little bit better. I just saw him nose down on it. Okay, buddy, cut that out. Ugh. Well, he got my worm off, so got him. Is that the silly fish that's been messing with me this whole time? Maybe. Wow, rainbow trout. It's a rainbow, little rainbow. Thank you, buddy. Got him. Well, that's a trout, of course. Looks like I missed him and he came back for it. And that's a little male, I think. Yeah, it's a little male, buddy. Nice. Alright, buddy. Here you go. Now we need to find out where I can find this thing down there. Oh shoot, there's a fish. Probably a trout, yep. A little guy too. And of course the little guy takes it deep, but look at the size of this guy. He ain't worth much. As bait, he might be good. But let's see. Cut it out. Oh wow. Yeah, he took it deep. I got it. All right. Well guys, we're gonna have to wrap it for the day, so the fish have just stopped biting now, but it went pretty well as you could see. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.